Looking for the one that has it all, from superb floor plan to stellar outdoor living? Owner has done a tremendous amount of work to this already fabulous Windsor-built home. Popular Cotswold plan. Finished basement with additional bedroom and bath, could be in-law suite, office, recreation room, plus home theater with projector and surround sound. Owners added extra parking pad, basketball court with gorilla goal, concrete patio with fireplace, lower level deck with fans and speakers, stone steps to lower yard, fire pit, trampoline play area, automated door locks, sandbox, rip-rap at creek, third zone to HVAC, plantation shutters/blinds throughout, and recessed lighting. 9 ceilings on first floor. 9 feet 8 inches ceilings in basement. Primary suite on main level has large walk-in closet, door to screened porch, and luxurious bath with granite counters. There is an additional bedroom and bath on the main level. 12*x11*7 screened porch with surround sound. Perfect backyard for active lifestyle.